Boom! What is up, guys? And welcome to the sweet outdoors indoors. Know what I mean? Yeah, it's, I don't know, 11 o'clock Friday night. Just watched my Dolphins preseason loss. Not happy. Preseason. Tell you what, though, they need to find a backup quarterback. If our starting quarterback goes out, we're done. Alright, enough about that. Let's get to why you watched this video from me. That's right. Another knife review. This one kind of caught my eye because it's very similar to another knife that I've already done. And thought it was pretty cool. So let me grab everything and we'll get to it, guys. Y'all ready for this? Anyway, all right, the knife we are talking about tonight, your very first survival knife. I mean, can you believe? Look at that. I'm just kidding, guys. I was over at the ex's house today and I was packing up some stuff, going through some stuff, getting ready to put it in the shed, and come across this thing. I have no idea where I got this knife. No clue. As you could tell, it's never been used. I don't even know where the sheath for this thing is at. But I remember back in the 80s, you know, this was, everybody wanted the Rambo knife, and they came out with this and everybody had to have one. And I had one of these back in the 80s. I remember it just like it was yesterday. And I mean, if you didn't have this knife as a kid in the 80s, you wasn't cool. I mean, this was it. This was the Rambo knife. It ain't worth a crap, I tell you what. This one here's barely got an edge to it. The saw blade, I don't even think it would cut through melted butter. You might be able to open a bottle with that, so that's about it. The compass does work. It's got two key rings and they're supposed to be like a saw and survival kit in the handle. This one, on the other hand, all it has in the handle, I checked it earlier, and it's got, I believe, waterproof matches. Yeah. Oh, they're not even waterproof. So that wouldn't do any good. There's a handful of little matches, and there's not even a striker in here. So yeah, like I said, I have no idea where I got this knife. It was in the bottom of a drawer that I was going through, but I just thought it'd be pretty cool to bring in some nostalgia. I mean, like I said, you had this in the 80s, you were cool. Now let's get to what we're here for. Another Ozark trail knife. They're trying to compete, guys. And this one here is like the Gerber Pledge. That's why it caught my eye. The Gerber Pledge. Now this one has got a Tonto blade on it, and the Gerber edge is kind of reversed. So, I mean, if y'all remember, I cut my damn finger open with that Pledge because I was trying to close it the wrong way. So let's use our Ion, is it the Ion? Icon. Our Icon knife from Harbor Freight. And see if we can't get this bad boy opened up without cutting myself. Alright, now I like the slim design. A great fit for a pocket knife. That nice slim design. Good grip. That belt clip kind of gets in your way, but I mean, we're not talking heavy duty use, we're talking light to medium use. It is sharp. It's a lot sharper than that fixed blade knife that we did a review on the other night. Got your liner lock, got your belt clip. It is not assisted open. It's manual, of course. let's see if we got some measurements and stuff here. Okay, 3.25 inch stainless steel blade with titanium coating. That makes a difference for you guys. 4.25 inch polypropylene handle, liner lock, and pocket clip. It is a Walmart knife. It is an Ozark Trail, so we're not going to know what kind of steel. It just says stainless steel with titanium coating. That's all we got. It's not bad. I really kind of like this knife. It is that'd make a pretty good pocket knife. Like I said, it is thin, slender, fit in your pocket. It's not real bulky or nothing like that. It's lightweight. Definitely got most of the weight right here in the blade because of this polypropylene handle. I like that OD green too. It's, pretty cool. It gives that tactical look. So yeah, not bad. $5, I believe this one was $5 knife. Excuse me. But not bad for $5. Like I said, good little pocket knife. Keep with you. You lose a $5 knife, you lost a $5 knife. Not that big of a deal. So, do me a favor, real quick. Hit that like, that subscribe, that notification. That way you're made aware next time a video drops. Download, share with your friends. Check us out over on Facebook at The Sweet Outdoors. You know the deal. I am also on Twitter, X, and also on TikTok, but I haven't really been posting anything there because nobody's watching. Nobody seems to care on TikTok. I get a couple of views here and there, and that's about it. I do this for YouTube, and I go to X and TikTok to direct views to YouTube, and it doesn't work, so I'm not gonna waste my time with it, guys. If I feel like it, I'll put something over there, but other than that, I'm not. I do post on Facebook. I do post all my videos on Facebook, so check us out on Facebook. And got some videos coming for you guys. I got a huge surprise coming for you. Major change in the channel coming. Not talking about the like the change with the divorce or anything like that, because that's over and done with. The divorce is final. We're moving on. We're done. But this is going to be a major change to the channel. The content and everything like that is going to stay the same. That's not what we're talking about, and I'm just going to leave it at that until the time is right. I still got a few bugs to work out before I can make the announcement. So it's something to look forward to, and I think it's definitely going to be beneficiary to the channel. And yeah, that's it, guys. I haven't been able to get out to the woods yet. It's just one thing after another. It's been 100 degrees in the afternoons, and then it'll rain for 5 minutes, and then it's 120 degrees. I mean, it's South Florida weather, guys. My weekends have been so freaking busy that I haven't been able to bring you guys videos. I haven't been able to go hunting. It's too hot to fish. Fish are not biting. The water is damn near boiling. It's so hot down here. Man, my throat is killing me. It's just cream soda. But I'm trying to bring you one this weekend. I'm gonna try to get you one this weekend. I'm trying to get out into trying to get to the property and see if we can't do a little bit of hunting this weekend. It just all depends on if I can get done what I need to get done. That's really it, guys. That's all I got tonight. Fixing to edit this video and post it for you guys, and I'm going to bed. Be safe, God bless. Get outside, baby.